Good evening, Brother Robertson. This is my last video that I will be doing for you. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to dig into the uh, Enhancement 8. I did get through all the activities, so I'm going to show you those and I guess call it good. We're going to sign into my account, go into Bugs Bunnies, because he's pretty awesome. We're going to log in. From here, we can update the account information, or we can look at the products which came up. Explosives, miscellaneous, rockets, trap. On this one, the anvil would not come up. It was a GIF instead of a PNG. And I couldn't find the spot to switch it over to add GIF into our line of code. So I just pulled it up in Photoshop and changed it to a PNG. So it would show. All the others have shown okay. There's my home view. If I want to look at, we did accounts as well on this one. So if I wanted to, I'm going to have to log out to do that. If I wanted to go in and change my account, look at that again, and log in. No, and I didn't get it right. Do many and okay. And if we wanted to update our information, here's bugs. We're going to change Bunny to S and update account. And now it says bugs and bunnies. I also finally figured out how to get a space in between this one. This was very difficult, and I finally figured out that if I made two PHP statements instead of just one, it would give me a space. I could get a space that way. So that is update account information. When I went to change the password, I had problems with it. But I guess it is what it is. So this is what I got done. I really enjoyed this class. I wish my semester hadn't gone the way it's gone, but it has. And thank you so much for everything, and best wishes to you.